Hi Rupesh,
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
This is Savitri from Quality Department. Today I am going to take a feedback video from your side. First of all, congratulations for your placement. Rupesh, can you introduce yourself?
I am Rupesh from Tirupathi. I completed my B.Tech Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Sciences in Tirupathi.
Okay, have you got to know about CMTI?
I got to know about some friends previously done by B12 batch, B11 batch, B10 batches.
Okay, in CMTI, which course you have taken?
I taken construction management and building floors.
Okay, what you learn in that course?
I learnt about sequence of construction, reading of drawings, BOQs, bar bending schedule, and I learned the courses software like Revit, SketchUp, and etc.
Okay, you have visited various site and showroom, is it right?
Yeah, I visited various like Command Service, Balaji Wall Texture, IKEA, IBO, and Vishwesvaraya plant.
Okay, what you have learned in that site and showroom visit?
I learned in showroom visits. I learned about various interior products, materials, which are used for the construction purposes. And in command service, I learned the plinth beam and Vishwesvaraya lantern net. I learned the underground water how it is used in overall bank.
For which role you have selected?
I selected as graduate engineering training. Role is site engineer.
How many rounds are there?
It is 5 rounds, ma'am.
Okay, what were the rounds?
That is self introduction, logical, technical round, HR round, and final director round.
How was the staff and trainer support towards you to crack the interview?
Yeah, I got very good good knowledge from staff like our Natalan sir and several stars, which helped to crack the interview. They given better knowledge for me and very politely they treated me.
Okay, how was the coordinator's support towards you?
Yes, it's very good, ma'am. They given friendly nature and they given guidance to me what we need to do and what are the to do in the next step. All about the classrooms, all.
So, finally, what do you want to tell your friends and juniors who wanna going to join the CMTI?
Mm. It is very helpful if you are needed good in future, place in good future. It CMT will definitely will help you and place in a good position.
Okay, Rupesh, thank you for your feedback. So, once again, congratulations for your placement. Have a bright future.
Okay, thanks, man.